Hello students, good morning all of you. First of all, introduce yourself. I am Binod Yadav as a lecturer, Department of Chemistry from SBS Children Academy, Jaunpur. Today we are going to discuss significant figure. Now write down first heading, significant figure. Okay? Now write down first heading, significant figure. Significant figure. What is significant figure? How to determine significant figure of the given any physical quantity? कोई फिजिकल क्वांटिटी दे दी जाएगी, उसमें से आपसे पूछा जाएगा कि हाउ मेनी नंबर ऑफ सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर. ओके, तो नाउ हाउ टू डिटरमाइन सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर in the given physical quantity. Now write down the number of significant figure the number of significant figure present in a given physical quantity determine by following rules. Try to understand carefully how to determine significant figure. Now the number of significant figure present in a given physical quantity determined by following rules. Rule number 1. Rule number 1. Rule number 1. Non-zero physical quantity non-zero physical quantity or significant or significant non-zero physical quantity or significant. Now example, point out the example. कोई भी फिजिकल क्वांटिटी जिसमें कोई जीरो नहीं है वो सभी के सभी सिग्निफिकेंट नंबर में आ जाएंगे, सभी के सभी सिग्निफिकेंट नंबर होंगे. जरा देखना. नाउ सपोज 15 सेंटीमीटर किसी बॉडी की लेंथ 15 सेंटीमीटर है. 15 centimeter significant figure. How much significant figure? Now 15 centimeter has two significant figure, has two significant figure. Okay, 1567 सेंटीमीटर अगर ये फिजिकल क्वांटिटी दी गई है तो नंबर ऑफ सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर हाउ मच, तो 1567 cm has 2 plus 2. Now here 4 significant figure. Now one of the another examples, third 67321 centimeter. In this physical quantity, how much significant figure, how much number of significant figure? Now in this case has 2 4 plus 1 6 significant figure. Okay, this is the first rule of the significant figure. Okay, now point out the second rule. Point out the second rule. Okay, second rule, rules number 2. Okay, if zero is placed before the first non-zero digit, if 0 is placed before the first non-zero digit of the any physical quantity, of the any physical quantity is non-significant. Non-significant. This is the rule number 2. Try to understand the statement. If 0 is placed before the first non-zero digit of the any physical quantity is non-significant. एग्जाम्पल के थ्रू समझिएगा. Now here 0156 centimeter has 3 significant figure. Okay, ध्यान दो. If 0 is placed जीरो को प्लेस्ड किया है बिफोर द फर्स्ट नॉन जीरो डिजिट। यहाँ नॉन जीरो हो, कोई एक डिजिट हो, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 सो ऑन, कोई भी इस तरह की डिजिट हो जो नॉन जीरो हो, जीरो ना हो, इसके पहले इस जीरो को हम नॉन सिग्निफिकेंट कंसिडर करते हैं। सपोज 00.156 km has 1 2 3 मीन्स नॉन जीरो डिजिट के पहले बिफोर, क्लियर है? अगर जीरो है तो वो सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर नहीं होगा। मीन्स हैज 3 सिग्निफिकेंट figure. Okay, one of the another examples, this is the 1 number, this is the 2 number, and here 3 number. 0.00165 dozen. Okay, now write down cm, सेंटीमीटर। ये लिख दो, कुछ भी लिख दीजिए, एनी वर्ड। How many number of significant figure in this physical quantity? Now 1 2 3 1 2 3 centimeter has 3 significant figure. Okay, now 4 will be 0.01678 kg. Calculate the number of significant figure. Now here 1 2 3 and then 4. Now every zero before the non-digit, before the non-zero digit are not considered in significant figure. Now here number of significant figure in this case has 4 significant figure. Okay, now we will be discuss rule number 3. Okay, write down. Okay, thank you. Rule number 3. Point out rule number 3. Rule number 3. Rule number 3. If 0 is placed right side of the decimal point, the any physical quantity or significant वाह, वेरी सिंपल, ध्यान दीजिएगा। ये कह रहे हैं कि इफ जीरो इज प्लेस्ड राइट साइड ऑफ द डेसिमल पॉइंट ऑफ द एनी फिजिकल क्वांटिटी और सिग्निफिकेंट। सपोज एग्जाम्पल देखिएगा, बिल्कुल क्लियर हो जाएगा। सपोज 6.0 centimeter has now one point के राइट साइड जीरो अगर है तो वो सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर में कंसीडर होगा। क्लियर? तो 6.0 सेंटीमीटर हैज टू significant figure okay. Now here 15.00 centimeter or meter has 4 significant figure. Okay, now this is the example number 1, this is the example number 2. Now here example number 3. 1653.00 has how many number of significant figure in this physical quantity? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Has 6 significant figure. Okay, now write down. Okay, thank you. Now write down rule number 4. Rule number 4, this is the last rule of the significant figure. Now here rule number 4, if zeros is placed in between two non-zero digit of any physical quantity or significant. ओके, ये कहना चाहते हैं कि अगर जीरो किसी दो नॉन जीरो डिजिट के बीच में, जीरो को हमने प्लेस कर दिया दो नॉन जीरो डिजिट के बीच में, तो वो सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर में कंसीडर होगा, वो सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर होगा। नाउ आइए एग्जाम्पल से हम समझते हैं। एग्जाम्पल नंबर 1, सपोज 15006 15006 boys has how many number of significant figure in this physical quantity? 1 2 3 4 5. Has 5 significant figure. Okay, now another physical quantity. This is the example number 2. Here 6 5 3 0 0 8 liter has how many number of significant figure? 2 plus 2, how much? 2 plus 2 4, and now here 2 6. Has 6 significant figure. 6 significant, has 6 significant figure. Now third one is here 0.0063015. Now in this case, how many number of significant figure? Now in this case, number of significant figure will be 1 2 3 4 5. Now here centimeter has 5 significant figure. Okay, now some of the question arise in this heading, just like as write down the question. Question number 1. Question number 1. Calculate the number of significant figure. Calculate number of significant figure of the calculate number of significant figure of the following physical quantity. Okay, now A, 1506 centimeter. B, 0.0168 centimeter. And now C, 18.081 centimeter. And now D, 18.0 centimeter. Calculate the number of significant figure. Now in this case, A के केस में आप देखिएगा इसमें आपसे पूछेगा नंबर ऑफ सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर, कैसे आप बताओगे कि नंबर ऑफ सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर इस फिजिकल क्वांटिटी में कितनी है। तो हमने आपको बताया 1506 नंबर ऑफ सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर। सॉल्यूशन 2 + 2 how much 4। number of significant figure how much 4। now in this case 0.0168। please remember the rules। now the 0 is placed before the non-zero digits। non-zero digits, this is the 1, 0 is placed before the 1। now 0 is not considered as a significant figure। total number of significant figure in this physical quantity 1 2 3। solution number of significant figure two plus 1 how much 3। number of significant figure 3। and the case of C, how many number of significant figure in this case 2 plus 2 4 and plus 1 5। solution number of significant figure will be how much 5। okay। number of significant figure is 5। and now last in this question, number of significant figure of the given physical quantity 18.0। now if 0 is placed after the decimal point, which is also considered insignificant figure। now total number of significant figure in this physical quantity is 2 plus 1 how much 3। solution last number of significant figure how much 2 plus 1 3। okay। नोट करिए, जल्दी नोट करिए। हाँ नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में अब आप लोग बात करेंगे एक्यूरेसी एंड प्रिसीजन, और इसके बाद हम लोग साइंटिफिक नोटेशन की बात करेंगे। तब तक के लिए आप लोग इसको प्रिपेयर करते रहिए। ओके, थैंक यू वेरी मच। ओके।